Ever wondered what quality threshold in machine learning is? You're not alone. This concept, while crucial to understanding machine learning, can often be shrouded in confusion. So let's unravel this mystery together. Quality threshold, or QT for short, is a clustering algorithm used in machine learning. Now you may be wondering, what is a clustering algorithm? It's simply a method that groups similar data points together. Imagine you have a bag full of different colored balls. A clustering algorithm would be like sorting these balls based on their color. So where does quality threshold come into play? The QT algorithm, unlike other clustering algorithms, creates clusters based on a predefined quality criterion. This criterion is usually a maximum diameter that all clusters must not exceed. If you think back to our bag of balls, it would be like saying, I only want groups of the same color that contain less than 10 balls. The QT algorithm starts by calculating the distance between all pairs of data points. It then forms clusters of these data points, making sure that the maximum distance within a cluster does not exceed the quality threshold. If a data point doesn't fit within this threshold, it's left as a singleton, or a cluster of one. This approach ensures high-quality clusters where data points are closely related. However, it comes with a trade-off. The QT algorithm can be more computationally demanding than other clustering algorithms. It's like meticulously sorting through the balls one by one, rather than just roughly grouping them by color. In a nutshell, the quality threshold in machine learning is a method that forms high-quality clusters of data based on a predefined criterion. It's a meticulous process that ensures closely related data points are grouped together, but it can be demanding in terms of computational resources. So next time you come across the term quality threshold in machine learning, don't be daunted. It's simply about clustering data with precision and quality in mind. And who knows? Understanding this concept might just give your machine learning project the edge it needs.